Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing my second unboxing of the newer beauty box that I found. And I actually found it on Cratejoy, I believe. Anyway, this box is $15 a month. However, if the first, I think there's a code that you can find. If I can find it, I'll list it on the screen. Your first box is half off, so the first box is only $7.50. I will list my unboxing to the first box below so you can compare it to this time, because I'm actually pretty intrigued, because last time it came in like a big kind of plasticky envelope, but it was very flat. Like that. And this time, it's like this. And it feels kind of heavy. Now my last unboxing, I wasn't over the moon about, I think it was worth the $7.50, but if I had paid $15 for it, even though the value was above $15, I just wasn't thrilled with it. So I'm crossing my fingers that this time is better, because this time I actually did pay the $15 for it. So let's see if it's worth it this time. As usual, all the information for this box will be below. It's not an affiliate. I paid with this with my own money. Oh, how cute. It came in one of those, like, file box things. All right, and unfortunately, all right, this box is for April, but unfortunately there is no card that comes with it with the value and everything. But as usual, I'll list the value of each thing on the screen when I look it up and find it. And the theme is Be Beautiful, and this is the, I'm sorry, I should have said this to begin with. This is the GUZEL box, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is Turkey for, or Turkish for beautiful. So here we go. Inside, everything is under this wrapping here. All right, the first thing I see is the Mope Perfect Pedi electronic nail care system. As per my last video for my, I will pass this on to somebody, maybe my mom will like it. All right, and here I see wrapped up is this, looks like a bath bomb. This is the Shelly Yeah bath bomb in pink pineapple. I don't take baths, but my daughter does, my older daughter, so she will love this. And this is from Victoria's Secret. And this retails for $6.95 because it's written on it. Everything else comes in this kind of plasticky bag right here. I'm just gonna dump everything out because it's just gonna make it easier. Oh, fun. Okay, so the next thing I see is by Physicians Formula. This is the Argan Whale, oh my god. Argan Wear 2-in-1 argan oil and coconut water primer. And it's a mist. That's fun. Oh, I'll definitely try that. And Physicians Formula is like more of the uppity price range at the drugstore, so that's fun. The next thing is just a oil packet of a cleansing conditioner by Genius Wash. Oh, it's from Redken. That's nice. The next is by Soap and Glory. This is the Sugar Crush Body Buttercream. I don't have any of their creams, but I do have their body sprays, which I like, and it's that nice like 7-Up kind of smell, so I'll use that. And everything else comes in this little package right here. All right, the first thing I see is by Morphe, and this is the single eyeshadow in Mysterious, and it's kind of a red color. I actually have this, so I won't open it. Maybe I'll save it for a giveaway. All right, ooh. This is the Rimmel London, what is this? It's like got the highlighter, the sculptor, and the blush in it. I've never tried this, so that's cool. And the last is by Too Faced, and it's one of their, I think it's like the smaller ones. This is Sellout. It's their Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick. I actually love this color, but I don't like the formula of these, so I'll actually pass this on. Overall, I mean, I think this box was definitely worth the $15. And like I said with my first unboxing, it takes me like 3 or 4 boxes to see if a box is really worth the money. So this one was worth the $15, I think, this time. I guess we'll see what happens with our next box. So make sure you stay tuned. Again, I will list my first unboxing below if you want to check that out and see what I got the first time. Compare, perhaps. But this time overall, it was a nice box. You know, I like that it came with like a thing like this, which I'll definitely use because I have tons of shit here that I just need to organize somehow. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.